Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable a voice message on Discord PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. To enable the voice message on Discord PC, you need to go to the Vanker.dev website. Wait, I'm going to close my Discord and then I'm going to open up my browser. Okay, you can visit this website guys, Vanker.dev, and then you're going to click on download Vanker, and you can choose your computer's operating system. Mine is Windows, so I'm gonna select Windows, and then we can click on download Vanker installer. Okay, I have already downloaded this Vanker, this one. Once you have downloaded, you can open it. You can double click on it and you can click on install until you get this notification, successfully patched. And I'm going to click on OK, and we're going to open up our Discord. I'm going to open the Discord app, and after that we will be able to send a voice message. Okay, I'm going to try to send voice message to my friend on Discord. We can click on this plus icon and select send voice message. Start recording here. Hello, I'm going to send you voice message. And I'm going to stop. And we can click on send. Okay, now the voice message is being sent. And I'm gonna play it. Hello, I'm going to send you voice message. Okay. Alright, and that's all the way to enable a voice message on Discord PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!